eating food for our health doesn't have to be extreme, and it's available to anything. We've been living such stressful lives for the last year. Our mood really matters as well. And one of the things that I think, and this is something else I've been working on this summer, is thinking about how the food that we enjoy in our lives, we don't want foods that can cause more stress, because sometimes people are really stressed out about their foods. We want foods that can fight stress. And so I've been, and I brought with me some foods that can actually help us fight stress, make us feel better. And I actually have been calling these things mood foods.
Mood food, I love it. Oh, it's all in the name, baby. You got me at mood. Mood food, I love it. What are your favorite mood foods right now, Will?
All right, you're gonna love this, Rach. First, dark chocolate. Now, not everybody loves dark chocolate, but here's another reason to love it. Dark chocolate's been shown to calm anxiety. And did you know that research actually studied stress markers in the body? And what they found is that people who eat dark chocolate have lower levels of stress markers and lower anxiety. And so chocolate is good for that. And it turns out that research is figuring out what these things are in the chocolate. They're bioactive natural chemicals called proanthocyanidins. So here's another reason to love dark chocolate. And here's another mood food, turmeric. I love turmeric. And, turmeric actually has gotten a lot of buzz recently, and it deserves it because it's got these anti-inflammatory properties. But guess what? Turmeric's now been shown to improve memory as well. It turns out that the turmeric can light up parts of your brain involved with memory and emotion. So here's a practical tip. When you're actually using turmeric in food, it's a spice. It's not a whole food. You got to put it in things. You want to add it with a little bit of fresh cracked pepper. So I love black pepper. They work together. Yep. And what happens is that the pepperine in black pepper helps to increase the body's levels of curcumin, which is the good stuff in turmeric. So what I love to do, and I brought to show you something to show you, is I love to put a little bit of turmeric into a virgin, non-alcoholic Bloody Mary. And so this is my turmeric. I'm stirring it with my celery straw, and I'm going to put a little cracked pepper in it. That's what I used when I was cooking the pasta. And
I have the same pepper mill, by the way.
Oh, you do? Okay. Great
do.
minds think alike. And here we go. We've got a memory-enhancing, non-alcoholic Bloody Mary.
Gorgeous.
Now, I'll tell you my third mood food that I wanted to bring with you are walnuts. Now, what I'm about to tell you applies to other types of tree nuts, so pistachios and pecans and cashews as well. And even, by the way, pumpkin seeds. So walnuts, which I love, are a great source of another healthy fat called ALA. This is 3 initials, and this is actually a precursor to omega-3. So our body takes the ALA, the healthy fat in walnuts, and turns it into omega-3s. Okay, so it turns out omega-3s are not just only good for anti-aging, but they're good for our mood. So there's a study that was recently done involving college students that were not clinically depressed. So these were kids that were not, they were just bummed out. They weren't really depressed. And what they did is they fed them banana bread that contained crushed walnuts, or banana bread that had no walnuts in it. So here's my banana bread, and here's my crushed walnuts here. And it turns out that the kids who ate just 3 slices of banana bread containing crushed walnuts actually had better moods as well. And it didn't take very much, just a half a cup of crushed walnuts. Like, anybody can actually do it. And this speaks to this idea that eating food for our health doesn't have to be extreme, and it's available to anything. And you can use any kind of nut that you want.
Again, if you guys want more time with Will yourselves and more great information, like seeing a doctor for free and getting great advice, you can go to his online program called Masterclass with Dr. Will Lee.